We don't have to hurt towards people who think like us and be in conflict with others that don't think like us. And by the way, when I say conflict, I don't mean actual fighting and conflict and protest and stuff. That's also there. Conflict is simply you listen to somebody and you, in your mind, silently to yourself go, these are just not my people. That's you in conflict because everyone is your people. Everyone is you. Everyone is. Now, there might be times when you feel like you're justified, your mind is justifying to you, not you, but your mind is justifying to you. These are not my people, but I still love them. I still gravitate towards those people, so I'm going to hang out with them because I'm kind of in harmony there and I like it there and it's lighthearted there and it's fun there. I mean, I still love these people totally, but I'm going to go over there. That's going to happen. That's a level of awakening, I would say, but that's also still in conflict. That's just a justification, right? I'm really going down to the core of the truth. To me, what I've seen in my own world, in my own life, in my own mind, is that you truly are completely alone. But alone to the point where you are with everyone and anyone. You truly are with anyone and everyone. You find yourself more in enjoyment there and not here. That's your personality. I'm not saying don't do that and do this. No, I'm just saying notice. Just notice. And then discern what's going on. Discern, spiritual discernment. This is personality. I'll still play the role. I still like going to this party and not that kind of party. I just know I'm not going to put all my dollars in it. Like, I'm not banking on it. This is just a temporary thing. Who I am is everyone. And you get closer and closer and closer to seeing more and more and more what is truth. Because that changes your vibration, right? The frequency within which you operate and how you show up in every single day conversations, every single day doings and beings and things that you do. The frequency is different because your frequency is coming from the world beyond thought. You're established there. We talked about love not being a personal thing in one of the sessions. That's that world beyond thought. Lao Tzu says the greatest love seems indifferent. It just seems indifferent. It's not. It actually encompasses everything and everyone. Therefore, it seems indifferent. But it is the greatest love. The sun gives out heat and light to everything and everyone. You might not believe in the sun. The sun doesn't give a shit. It's still there for you. So let me pause there. I have more to say that I'll get into, but let me pause there and see if there's anyone who wants to jump in and say anything.